Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the best wallpaper engine for any setup. It can be for low, mid, and high-end PCs. So first, go to your Wallpaper Engine app and then go to Settings on the top tab. And then here on the quality, this is where we have to focus. So for the FPS, make sure this is on 60 FPS only. If you're going higher, then tendency is that it might slow down your PC. And then for anti-aliasing, just make sure to set this on MSAA ×2. When you jump from ×2 to ×4, that's a huge performance drop, especially on low-end PCs. So just make sure to set this on ×2. And then for the post-processing, just enable it, or you can disable it if you're lacking on memory. So for any kind of setup, it is okay to make sure that this is enabled. And then for texture resolution, put this on high performance. Don't put it on automatic because it may select high quality for you. So right here, make sure it is on high performance. This eats a lot of VRAM. And then for the shadows, set this on low or medium. For me, I want to keep it on low. And then for the volumetric lighting, make sure this is set on low or disabled. For me, I want to set it on low. And then for the reflections, please uncheck this setting. This eats a lot of CPU, VRAM, and RAM. So uncheck it and press OK. And then basically that's it.